Greetings. My name is Colonel Mike Lunding. I currently serve as the Directorate Lead for 3 divisions in the Joint Artificial Intelligence Center: Plans and Programs, Budget, and Acquisitions. The synergy between the 3 divisions form the heartbeat of JAIC support to plans, programs, budget, and execution process, commonly referred to as PPB&E. Ultimately, we provide the means within the JAIC to transform the Department of Defense through artificial intelligence. For each division, I'll simply describe what we do and what it means to you. First, the Plans and Program Division forecasts necessary resources across the future year's defense program to enable the JAIC in the delivery of AI talent, products, processes, and platforms. Forecasting the future of an organization is hard work that requires an analytical mindset. Think of it as analogous to planning a trip this time next year, with a vague knowledge of the weather, cost, flight availability, and available tours and activities. If you're looking for best practices in this area, the division can assist. Next, the Budget Division enables our mission by providing budget policy management, execution, and analysis to JAIC leadership in support of strategic priorities. The division is charged to ensure responsible fiscal stewardship in the year of execution. Continuing with our trip analogy, think of budget execution as putting money aside and then accounting for every dollar you spend on a trip. In the end, your hard-earned money is spent in line with your leisure goals. Finally, the Acquisition Division looks outward to provide the DoD with innovative solutions to AI-specific problems. Their motto is "Rapid Done Right." This group of acquisition professionals streamlines standardized AI procurement and enables agile delivery of AI capabilities to the warfighter. A suite of 5 innovative procurement vehicles allows for rapid AI delivery and purchasing of AI services. They are AI delivery, test and evaluation, data, demo testing, and talent. If you are seeking to forecast AI into the future, execute a budget in the current year, or in need of an AI acquisition solution, we can assist.